we have learned how to find perimeter and area of square and rectangle and how to use them in our real life problems. We have seen that area of square was equal to side square. And what was perimeter of square? Perimeter of square was 4 into side, that is 4 multiplied with side length. And then what was area of rectangle? It was length into breadth, or we can write it as L into B, where L is length and B is breadth. And then we have seen perimeter of rectangle. This was equal to 2 into length plus breadth. And we have seen examples based on all these things. Now in this video we are going to see few more questions based on perimeter and area of square and rectangle. So let's start with the first question. The question here is, the length and the breadth of rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find, first one is its area and the second one is the cost of the land if 1 square meter of land costs rupees 10,000. So first of all, let's find the area of the land. Shape of the land is rectangle, so its area will be L into B, and that will be equal to 500 into 300. Now this will be equal to 15 and then 4 zeros. So this is basically 1,50,000 square meter. So this is the area of the land. Now we have to find cost of the land, and cost of the 1 square meter is given as 10,000. So cost of 1,50,000 square meters will be 1,50,000 multiplied with 10,000. So this will be equal to rupees 15, 4 times 0 and then 4 times 0 from here. So here is the cost of land. Now the second question is, find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meters. So perimeter is given to us, we have to find area, and we know area is equal to square of the side or side into side. So for finding area we need side length of a square park. Now how to find side length? Perimeter is given. Can we use this to find side length? Okay, let's try it. So it is given that perimeter is equal to 320 meters. Now we know perimeter is equal to 4 into side length. So it means 4 into side is equal to 320 meters. Now from here we will get side is equal to 320 divided by 4, and that will be equal to 80 meters. So now we are having side length of a square park. Can we find its area? Yes, very easily we can find area now. Area will be equal to side square, or we can write it as side into side. So this will be 80 square, and this is equal to 80, and this is equal to 80 into 80. Now 80 into 80 is 6400 square meter. So this is the area of the square park. The next question is, find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 square meters and the length is 22 meters. Also find its perimeter. So first of all, let us try to find breadth. Now area is given as 440 square meters. Now we know area is equal to length into breadth. So it means L into B is equal to 440. Now value of length is already given to us, which is 22. So this becomes 22B is equal to 440. Now we can transpose this 22 on the right side of the equation. So this will give us B is equal to 44. So this gives B is equal to 440 divided by 22. Now we can simplify this. 22 ones are 22. 22 into 20 will give us 440. So we are getting breadth as 20 meters. Now we have to find perimeter of this rectangle, and we know perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Now we know value of L and B. Let's put it here. So this will give us perimeter is equal to 2 into length is 22 and breadth is 20. So this will be 22 plus 20. Now 22 plus 20 is 42, and 42 into 2 is 84. So therefore we will get perimeter is equal to 84 meters. So answer for this question will be breadth is equal to 20 meters and perimeter is equal to 84 meters. Now the next question is, the perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth. Also find the area. So first of all we have to find breadth, and then using length and breadth we can find its area. So now how to find breadth? Perimeter is given to us, it is 100 centimeters, and length is given as 35 centimeters. So we are having perimeter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now we know perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. So it means we are having 2 into L plus B is equal to 100 centimeters. Now let's put the value of L here. L is 35. So this will become 2 into 35 plus B is equal to 100. Now this is one simple equation in B. We have to get the value of B from here. Now let's transpose this 2 here on the right side. So this will give us 35 plus B is equal to 100 divided by 2. 2 was multiplied with 35 plus B. So after transposition it will come in division. Now we are having 35 plus B is equal to 100 divided by 2, this will give us 50. So now from here we can get B is equal to 50 minus 35. We transposed this 35 also on the right side of the equation. So this gives us B is equal to 15. So therefore breadth of the rectangle or the rectangular sheet is 15 centimeters. Now we have to find area of the rectangular sheet. So as we know, area is equal to length into breadth. So this is L into B. So therefore this will be equal to L is 35 into B, which is 15. Now by simplifying this, by multiplying 35 into 15, we will get 525 square meters. Square centimeters. So the area is 525 square centimeters.
Now subscribe to Bright Tutee course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Tutee app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Tutee courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Tutee follows three-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutee and avail your courses at affordable prices.
Now the next question is, the area of a square park is the same as of a rectangular park. So it means here we are having area of a square equal to area of a rectangle. If the side of the square park is 60 meters and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meters, find the breadth of the rectangular park. So here we have to find the length of the rectangular park. Now how we can do that? What is given to us? It is area of a square park is equal to area of a rectangular park. So let's write it. Area of square is equal to area of rectangle. Now how do we find area of square? It is side into side, or we can write it as side square. Now this is equal to area of rectangle, and that is length into breadth, which is L into B. Now length is already given to us, we have to find breadth, and side of the square is also given to us, it is 60 meters. So therefore this will be 60 square is equal to L, which is 90 into B, so this becomes 90B. Now from here, to get the value of B, let's transpose this 90 here on the left side of the equation. So this will give us 60 into 60, which is 60 square, divided by 90 is equal to B. Now we can cancel 1 0 with 1 0 here. Now 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, and then 3 1s are 3, 3 into 20 will give us 60. So therefore we are getting breadth as 20 into 2, which is 40. So breadth is equal to 40 meters. The next question is, a wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeters and breadth is 22 centimeters. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side? Also find which shape encloses more area. So here, what do you think about perimeter of rectangle? So here, what do you think about perimeter of a rectangle and perimeter of square? So here, we are having a wire which is in the shape of rectangle, and we are rebenting it to get a square. So here, we will have perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle, as we are using the same wire. Now how do you find perimeter of square? It is 4 into side. So 4 into side is equal to perimeter of rectangle, which is 2 into L plus B. Now what is the value of L? It is 40 and B is 22. So we will get 4 into side is equal to 2 into 40 plus 22. Now this will be equal to 40 plus 22, it is 62, and 62 into 2 will be 124. So we are getting 4 into side is equal to 124. So therefore side is equal to 124 divided by 4. Now this will be equal to 31. So therefore side of square is equal to 31 centimeter. Now what we have to tell? We have to tell which shape encloses more area. For that we have to find area of both the shapes. So first of all, let's find area of rectangle. So area of rectangle. This will be equal to length into breadth, and length is given as 40. So this is 40 into 22. Now what will be 40 into 22? It will be 880 square centimeters. So this is area of rectangle. Now let us find area of square also. So area of square, this is equal to side square. Now what is side here? Side is 31. So this is 31 square. Now we have to find 31 square. Finding 31 square means we have to find 31 into 31. Now what is 31 into 31? It is 961 square centimeters. So this is area of a square. And as we can see, area of square is greater than area of rectangle. So therefore answer for this question will be square, because square encloses more area, which is 961 centimeter square, and for rectangle it is 880 square centimeter. The next question is, the perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeters. If the breadth of a rectangle is 30 centimeters, find its length. Also find the area of a rectangle. So here perimeter is given as 130 centimeters. So we are having perimeter is equal to 130 centimeters. Now we know formula for perimeter. It is 2 into L plus B, and this is equal to 130 centimeters or 130. Now from here we need to find length. Breadth is already given to us. It is 30. So we will have L plus B is equal to 130 divided by 2. We transposed this 2 here. Now value of B is 30. So we will get L plus 30 is equal to 130 divided by 2. It is 65. So therefore we will get L is equal to 65 minus 30. We transposed this 30 on the right side of the equation. So 65 minus 30 is 35. So length we are getting as 35 centimeters. Now what else do we have to find? We have to find area of the rectangle. And how do we find area? We know area is product of length and breadth. It is L into B. Now what is the value of L? It is 35 into B, and the value of B is given as 30 centimeters. So this is 35 into 30. So therefore area will be equal to 1050 square centimeters. Now here is the last question of this session. The question is, a door of length 2 meters and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is 4.5 meters and breadth is 3.6 meters. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall if the rate of whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per square meter. So here what we have to find? First we have to find area of the wall, and then we have to exclude area of the door, because we don't have to whitewash the door here. And then by doing that we will get area which has to be whitewashed, and then we will multiply it with the cost per square meter. We'll get the cost of whitewashing. So let's start now. First of all, let us find area of wall. So area of wall, this is equal to 4.5 into 3.6. Now we know how to multiply these decimals. So we will get 4.5 into 3.6 as 16.2 square meter. Now we have to find area of door also. So what will be the area of door? What is shape of the door? It is a rectangular shape. So area will be length into breadth again, which is 2 into 1. And 2 into 1 is 2 only. So area of the door is 2 square meter. So now what will be the area which has to be whitewashed? Area to be whitewashed. This will be equal to area of wall minus area of door. So we can write that this is equal to area of wall minus area of door. And area of wall is given as, and area of wall we got as 16.2. So this is 16.2 minus 2, which is area of door. Now this is equal to 14.2. Now what else we have to find? The question is we have to find the cost of whitewashing. So now for finding cost, what we will do? We will multiply this area, which is 14.2 square meter. We will multiply it with cost of per square meter, because here it is given that cost of whitewashing of 1 square meter area is rupees 20. So therefore cost for 14.2 square meters will be 14.2 into 20. Now what will be 14.2 into 20? This is equal to rupees 284. So therefore the cost is equal to rupees 284.
Now subscribe to Bright Tutee course at rupees 1 per day only. Download Bright Tutee app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Tutee courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Tutee follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutee and avail your courses at affordable prices.